Hello students, welcome to program number 35 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IKG Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. This one is the program of object-oriented programming using Python. Design a Python class named rectangle constructed by a length and width. Also design a method which will compute the area of the rectangle. Three contents are required basically. First of all, you have to design a class named rectangle. Then length is equal to 0. Initialize length is equal to 0 and width is equal to 0. Then one method named as area, self is required. Then length and width. After that, return length multiply width. This one is the area. Then creation of object of the class rectangle. Then entry from user side, int input, enter length of the rectangle. Then second value, int input, enter width of the rectangle. Then passing these values inside the class, print area of the rectangle comma obj dot area, then x comma y, entered variables. Now execute the program. Suppose length of the rectangle is 12 and width is 13. You can calculate the area. Area of the rectangle is 156. I'm going to repeat again the program. First of all, class rectangle, then initialization of two variables, length and width. Basically, these are known as attributes. Then method area, comprised of two values, length and width, then returning length multiply width. Then the entry from user side, x and y. X is equal to suppose length and y for width. Then area, object dot area, you have to pass these values x and y inside the class. Hope you understand the content of the program. In the next video, I will discuss about one new program of object-oriented programming, that is designing of circle constructed by radius and two methods which will compute the area and perimeter of the circle. In this program, we have to design two methods and one variable. And in this program, I design one class with two variables and one method. Thanks for watching my video.